First dates are very hard.
Yes, they often feel awkward.
Do not worry about mistakes.
We learn from bad experiences.
Today, we learn good phrases.
Type yes if you agree.
Let us start our story now. Leo is on a first date.
Maya is his date tonight.
They are at a nice restaurant.
Leo feels very nervous now.
He wants to impress Maya.
Maya looks at the menu.
Leo tries to read the menu.
Some words are very hard.
He points to a long word.
The waiter takes his order.
Leo speaks the word wrongly.
Maya hides a small smile.
He orders something strange.
Maya looks a bit surprised.
Then, Leo reaches for water.
His hand bumps the glass.
Water spills on the table.
It goes onto Maya's dress.
Leo is very, very sorry.
Maya is a little annoyed.
The waiter helps clean up.
This date is not going well.
Leo feels his face burn.
Maya sighs very quietly.
He needs better English skills.
He needs more confidence too.
Let us help Leo and Maya.
We will learn simple phrases.
This will make dates better.
Now, let us practice phrases.
We will role play this date. Hello, Maya. You look great.
Hello, Leo. Thank you very much.
This restaurant is very nice.
Yes, it is quite popular.
What do you like to eat?
I like Italian food mostly.
Me too. Pasta is my favorite.
What kind of pasta do you like?
I like many different kinds.
Okay. I will order the lasagna.
I am thinking about steak.
That sounds very good, Leo.
Excuse me, waiter. We are ready.
Hello. I will have lasagna.
I will have the large steak.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Thank you much.
The weather is very warm.
Yes, it is a nice evening.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I am a writer.
Oh, that is very interesting.
What about your work, Maya?
I work with numbers daily.
That sounds very difficult.
It is okay. I like it.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like to read books.
Me too. What books?
Science fiction. Mostly. And history.
That is very interesting to me.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I like action movies.
I prefer quiet, thoughtful films.
Oh, that is very different.
Yes, our tastes are different.
But differences can be good.
Sometimes. Not always, I think.
Are you from the city?
Yes, I grew up here.
I moved here last year.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yes, I like the city.
Good. Here is our food now.
My steak looks very good.
My lasagna smells delicious.
Please enjoy your meal, Maya.
You too, Leo. Thank you.
This steak is very tasty.
My food is also very good.
Are you enjoying the date?
It is going well, Leo.
I am glad to hear that.
The music here is too loud.
Oh, I do not hear it.
It is bothering me a lot.
I am very sorry for that.
It is not your fault, Leo.
What are your weekend plans?
I will relax at home.
That sounds very peaceful.
Yes, I need some quiet.
I like to go hiking.
I do not like hiking much.
Oh, that is a shame.
I prefer indoor activities.
Like reading books, right?
Yes, that is correct, Leo.
This conversation is very nice.
It is fine, I suppose.
I am having a good time.
I am feeling a bit tired.
Oh, I am sorry about that.
It is not your fault, Leo.
Can I get you anything?
No, I am fine, thank you.
Would you like dessert now?
No, I do not want dessert.
Okay, I will ask for the bill.
Thank you for the dinner.
My pleasure. I had fun.
Yes, it was an experience.
Can we do this again soon?
I do not think so, Leo.
Oh, I understand completely.
Good night, Maya. Goodbye.
Good night, Maya. Goodbye. Two useful phrases today.
What do you like to eat?
Are you enjoying the date?
Practice these sentences often.
The secret is simple, friends.
Practice makes you confident.
Do not fear making mistakes.
English is a journey, not a race.
Subscribe for more lessons now.
Real English, real communication.